The US stock market is extending its winning streak for a few days in a row. Today, new highs have been recorded on Wall Street. And how long will the equity market remain at elevated levels? Let's discuss its prospects. The long-awaited statistics on the US labor market fell short of expectations. The number of new jobs in the US public and private sectors in August was way below the forecast. Meanwhile, the market reaction is unclear, so the US dollar lost confidence. The S&P 500 climbed to the level of 4,537. The index is expected to trade in the corridor between 4,510 and 4,560. Will the index conquer a higher peak in the context of the downbeat employment data unveiled today? At the moment, the market has not given an entirely negative response to weak employment. The fact that the jobless rate stayed flat makes up for the downside. Hence, traders are striving to make the most of the uptrend in the stock market as long as they can do it. The US dollar index slipped to 92.20 yesterday. It's likely to hold in the corridor of 91.80 to 92.30. The advance of the euro-dollar pair accounts for the decline of the index. Earlier this week, the euro managed to assert strength amid growing inflation in the European Union. Besides, the euro finds support from the upcoming Bundestag election in Germany. Nevertheless, a lower than expected number of unemployment claims in the US prevented the US dollar from a steeper fall. The USD CAD pair declined to 1.2540 in line with the expectations. The possible corridor for the pair is between 1.2480 and 1.2580. The loonie is still dependent on oil prices. For your reference, Brent crude is trading today at the level above $73 a barrel. The bullish oil market reinforces the Canadian dollar. On the other hand, the US dollar is losing ground. Last but not least, Bitcoin failed to fix above the psychological level of $50,000 in the first half of the trading day. The most popular digital token tumbled in the morning and rebounded later on. Now Bitcoin is trading at about $50,700. All in all, the flagship cryptocurrency has gained 5% during the week. Some analysts reckon that it has enough bullish momentum to reach the level of 51,000 that will open the door to further highs. To sum up, the market has got to know the long-awaited US employment data for August. The NonFarm Payrolls revealed mixed data. On the plus side, the jobless rate remained the same. On the flip side, the US labor market discouraged investors with a sluggish hiring. Why did this happen? As soon as we receive comments from our experts, we will share with you. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you on Monday. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend.